climate has changed.
เจ้าหญิงเบลใครสั่งใครสอนให้เจ้าหญิงเบลมาทำงานเนี่ยเบคอนก็ใส่ถุงเดียวโอ้ย my god
Let it go Let it go Let it snow เก็บแม่เก็บไว้เก็บให้เสร็จ
เอาซื้อมาเลยแล้วเอาเลดี้โกจบแล้วเหรอ
Let it go Let it go Let it go
Let it
go Let him go Let him go
อู้
Let him go Let him go
เอาปี๊ดโอ้ my god
อ้าตกใจหมดเลยแล้วทำไมสิน่าเกลียดว่ะ
พอ
They would come down here. Yeah, exactly. And so there were, because of that, there were lots and lots and lots of, you know, intellectuals and authors and politicians and all kinds of stuff. So there's lots and lots of history down here. Lots of interesting people coming down here and writing things and making things or dying or whatever.
dying too
Sometimes, yeah. Look at that cute old. Going.
first time
Well, it didn't say stop there, so. Wow, look at that. Emma Street. Yeah, this has gotta be the old Truman area. Truman Waterfront Park.
what is Truman who is Truman
So you said that you heard me yesterday, but that's who the president.
oh yeah the president in
Beach
quarter
is
mile right
That's right. That's correct. So the president that I was just talking about was Harry S. Truman. And he's the one that loved this area, and he's the one that had his second White House here. He would work here during the winter years when it was too cold for them. Yeah, you hang on to that. That'd be great. bus parking. Don't get in the water.
Not get in the water yet?
Warning, rocks are slippery and hazardous. Use at your own risk. Heavy boat traffic, no water entry. Don't get in the water.
Huh.
Probably down here, I guess. Is this the beach? I was just talking to your mom. Is the water coming up or going down? Is the tide coming in or going out? I think the tide is coming in. I think our towels are going to get wet in a minute.
This is the
That's the original fort, how it was designed. It said, image from the fort of blah, 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 blah. So it says Fort Taylor was designed in 1843 by Colonel Joseph Totten, chief of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, right? The Corps of Engineers are the people that go around like building stuff.
drawing by Harvest.
That's England, yes. Fort.
Wow, they're very big. So when we have a war มันเป็นคุกใช่ไหมเบม
No.
Hey, look at this.
I know. But it's just to keep things safe.
Oh.
These are probably these newer. These gates are newer. So this was here to protect the people inside who were military men, army men, and navy men.
What? Hit it.
See? 'Cause it's too long. Oh wow. Cool. So they would mount guns on these things.
Oh, they're making gun here?
Like giant guns. Right? And they would mount it to those things. We have to go over there, I think.
So, but in here, people still working on that?
They have the cannons under there. See that? That's it.
People still working in there?
So on the other side, they look. They needed the iron. They needed the resources, and so they removed all the guns from all the areas in the U.S. And I didn't know that. That's interesting. Wow, dude, that is so freaking cool, man. So, they have a layer of brick, and then they have this thick-ass layer of iron. It's like a foot thick. Your camera's dirty. This is an old-ass cannon. This is like a super, super old-ass cannon. They've had much newer, like big-ass guns that fired like munitions, not like cannonballs.
Wow.
This is like from the 1850s. Flip your dress one more time. Again, turn.
คนพาไปกินออสเตอร์ ตาบอดแล้วค่ะ ตาบอด
Did they give us a fork?
we have at home
Did they give us a fork?
I don't know ลูกดูให้แม่หน่อย
Nice.
Do you mean this one, babe? Hey, babe? You mean this one?
Yeah, those are all spots for fishing poles. And look, that's actually a fishing pole right there. You see that? Little tiny short fishing pole to catch very big fish while you're just driving. And you see all these spots?
Oh.
Same thing with here, back.
Huh?
All these. Canal. Fishing pole.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this building. It's cool.
Cool. Look at the lights. Echo bunnies, echo bunnies.
ประเด็นคือ get temporary tattoo
On your face,
I don't know
on your neck.
like
Prison tattoo on your face. Temporarily.
คืออะไร temporary
Temporary means just a short time. Not forever, not permanent. Permanent and temporary. Then you have semi-permanent. Like my hair dye right now is permanent.